Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So the Friday markets have been closed. So let's get into our review of the Friday's market and we'll see what is going to be the preview of the next week's market. All right.
So, alright, guys, and as you can see, last time I posted the video about Nifty, and we were expecting the market to break. So, I said that once the market is able to break above 15,000 and closes above 15,000, then we can go for a buy. And now, since the market is not able to sustain and close above 15,000, it started to revert back and it has come back inside the channel now. So we may expect another channel bottom. So, so minimum expectation is, even if it is around it, if the market has to go up, still it can come up to 14,475. That is almost 60% retracement of the previous swing. So we may expect 14,475, and even if that breaks too, we may expect another channel bottom. That is around 14,100 to 14,000. So according to Nifty now, so the market is the Nifty is now back inside the channel, so we can trade for a short. And my suggestion is, once the market gets bottomed out at the channel, we can go for a longer investments. So once channel hits and it starts to move up, that time will be the right time to invest again in the stocks back. It's just another 400 points, so we may have some decline in the stocks as well. But once it hits the bottom at the channel, we will have a good no buying opportunity for the stocks. So according to Nifty, so it's back inside the channel. We have a possibility of 14,500 and then 14,200 to 14,000. So that is the range for Nifty. And then coming to Bank Nifty, so last time I told you about Bank Nifty, so it took the support and it went, and even I said that we are expecting 32,700 to 32,500, 300, somewhere around that. So Bank Nifty has come to the right exact level. So we may expect a 50 percentage retracement. And see, if 618 means it's almost the breakout retracement for Bank Nifty. So these are the opportunity levels around 32,350 and 31,900. So these are the opportunity levels where we can see some banking stocks and we can go for a buy. So if you're an aggressive trader and immediately we want to go for a buy, we can always go for a buy around 32,300. And if you're conservative, you can just wait for the market, since this is a breakout. Once the retest has come and the 618 retracement level has been hit, then around 31,900 we can go for a buy. So that is where the buying point is. So, and I'm also looking for some banking stocks. In case in future videos I'll try to post too. All right. And then for gold, so gold is currently trading at a nice level of support here, and the market is going in a uh, downward trend, and it's at the end of the downtrend. So, and the market has taken a nice level of support in the weekly, and if 1676 around 77, this level holds, we may expect a long-term buy in gold markets. But we have to consider the trend line as well. Since you can see that the trend line is over here, we may expect, if the market is able to sustain over here at this line of support. See, in 4 hours, we'll get this as a zone now. Around this will be the zone level. So as you can see, the spike just came and hit the previous line of support. So 1757, around that area, if that area holds and that support holds, and if it is not able to close below that, then we can expect a buy. And we may expect that buy to go and hit the third level of trend line, that is around 1861. So that will be a nice level of targets for gold. So my suggestion, always, you have known that gold is always the right time to buy. So since this is a physical asset, if you're going for a buy in a physical asset, try to always try to get it as much as possible whenever you see a low. So that is my suggestion for gold. So Nifty, uh, excuse me. So according to Nifty, we are expecting little further down, maybe for the 618 or the channel bottom. Bank Nifty already has come to 38%. We may expect 38 to 50% level retracement and then a pullback. And according to gold, we may expect around 17. This if this area holds around 1765 to 1755, this will be the right level of support. So if this doesn't close below this, we can always go for a buy in gold. So that is for the review and preview, guys.
Alright guys, I hope this video was useful and you would have understood different things about technicals and the market report. So the preview of the market for the next week. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Take care.